Okay, all of you sit. Sit straight. Okay, you can sit Sukhasana. If you cannot sit Sukhasana straight, then this position, Vajrasana, is the best. Yeah, keep your hands in Dhyana Mudra. So when you keep your hands in Dhyana Mudra, you don't have to straighten your fingers like that. So it's not required. Keep the arms relaxed. Arms are relaxed. The mudra is like that only. And but back is straight. So there is an effort required in keeping the back erect. Okay, but don't have to stretch your hands. Not required. Correct. Keep them relaxed. Mudra also. So today's, okay, welcome all of you, those who are online also. Today's class, the purpose of today's class is understanding what we are going to do in the next month. Because the last Saturday of the class, no? So last Saturday of the class, generally, we explain what we are going to do next month. Next month, whatever we are going to do, it will not change it. All the 30 days, 30 or 31 days. Some asanas will change, some will continue like that. Yeah. So sit straight. So first we will do the prayer. So next month the prayers are slightly different. So inhaling, take your arms sideways up. Yeah. So it will join at the top, correct? All the fingers. Exhaling, heart center. Slowly you have to bring. So you're here. Don't bring sudden. Take inhale, hands up. Straighten your elbow. Exhale, slowly bring it to the heart center. Yeah. Eyes are closed. We'll sing together, okay? Take inhale. Oh. Together. Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardanam urvarukamiva bandhana mrityormukshiyamamridad. Inhaling, take the hand straight up. Straight. Straighten your arms, all the fingers. Exhale, bring it sideways down. Dhyana Mudra. So this is the starting prayer for next month. Okay, open your eyes. Now loosening practice. Take your legs in front. Keep your hands behind. Now shake your legs. Little time. Like this. So take the support of the hand at the back, but don't sit with rounded back. Your back will be fairly straight only. It should not be rounded. You don't have to lift your chest and all. Just relax, but don't round your back too much. Okay. I'm going very slow because I explain all the simple, small things. Small things nobody will tell you. That's the problem. Now keep your legs together. That's all. You don't have to change your hand. Inhale, point your toes forward. Exhale, point it backward. Inhale, front. You have to feel what is happening. Exhale, back. Inhale, front. Exhale, back. Inhale, front. Go with me only. Exhale, back. One more time. Inhale, front. And exhale, back. My breathing will not be correct because I'm talking. So if I'm talking, I cannot breathe correctly, correct? Now feet rotation. 1. Where all it should go? 2. Every side it has to go. 3. Aage, piche, side mein sab. 4. 5. Wherever I started, I have to finish. Then reverse. 1. So even if you feel like going fast, don't go. 3. Try to practice along with the speed. 4. The teacher's speed. 5. Now inhaling, bring the hands by the side of your hips. So ये जो palm ऐसा था वो घूम के आगे हो गया, बराबर है? तो अभी back straight हो गया. Exhaling, bend your left leg, try to touch chin on the knee. Chin on the knee, हवा में है, हवा में है. हाँ. Release. Right leg bend, chin on the knee. Release. Left leg fold करने में exhale होगा. Release with an inhale. Exhale right. Inhale, release. Come with me slowly. Exhale left. Inhale, release. Exhale right. And inhale, release. Okay. Now bend your left leg. Catch the bottom of your thigh. You have to catch it close to the knee. Okay. Don't keep it down like this. It should be close to the knee. Don't round your back. Straighten your back. Yeah. Inhale, stretch the leg up, upwards. Exhale, bend. When you stretch, your hand should not go forward. Inhale, up, हाथ वहीं पे रहेगा. Exhale, bend. Your hamstring will straighten up. Inhale, 3. Exhale, bend. Even if it is not straightening, okay, no problem. Inhale, 4. Exhale, bend. One more. Inhale, 5. Exhale, bend. Release that leg. Don't move your hand. Bend the other leg. Catch the thigh bottom. Catch it close to the body. Okay. Don't. Now you should hand should not move forward. Inhale. Exhale. Hand is there only. Did you observe? Inhale. Then only hamstring will pull. Exhale. If you do like that, this is wrong. Inhale. Where is the stretch in this? Nothing. Exhale. Inhale. Up. Exhale. चलेगा वो straight नहीं होगा, no problem. Inhale and exhale. Release that leg. Straight. Now left leg fold, cross it over the right thigh. Over, okay? Catch the toe with your right hand, ankle rotate. 1, 2. Don't sit like this. 3, 4. What are we loosening now? 5. What are we loosening, Tanmay? Leg. This is leg. 2. Then what is this? 3. Not toe. 4. You are loosening toe. What are we loosening? Ankle. 5. Leg means everything leg only, no? Now keep that leg in Padmasana position. So ये बाहर था, उसको मैं अंदर लेके आया. तो अपना जो heel है नाभि तक आ गया, बराबर है? हाथ पीछे रखो, flap your left thigh. इसको flap करना है. बटक से उठाने का नहीं, बस फ्लैप करना है बिना बटक्स उठाते हुए. नहीं पहुंचेगा चलेगा, लेट इट फ्लैप इन द एयर, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलेगा ना, दौड़ेगा. उसके बाद नाउ कैच दिस टो विथ योर लेफ्ट हैंड, सेम लेफ्ट हैंड. ओके, सो हाउ टू कैच? दिस इज द वे टू कैच. ये जो 2 उंगली है उसको ये 2 उंगली के बीच में लगा दो, बराबर लगा दिया, उसको बोलते हैं हुकिंग. देन इनहेल, स्ट्रेटन योर लेग फ्रंट. जितना होता है स्ट्रेट कीजिए. 1. तोड़ने का जरूरत नहीं है तन में. 2. इतना भी चलेगा. 3. इनहेल एंड ब्रेक योर लेग, नहीं बोला ना मैंने. 4. एंड नाउ एक्सेल, कीप इट डाउन अलोंग विथ द हैंड. रख दिया. नाउ राइट लेग फोल्ड, क्रॉस इट ओवर द लेफ्ट थाई. क्रॉस किया, क्रॉस. क्रॉस. Then rotate. 1. What is the O? Which hand I am using? 2. 3. You have to focus, no? 4. Looking at my face, no use. 5. Now opposite side. 1, 2. Focus on ankle. 3. Keep the other leg straight. 4. One more round. 5. Now what should I do? Keep this in what position? No position. Renukappa is listening. Others are not listening. Keep it Padmasana. Then hands back and flap. एक साइड में तो किया हमने ना. Remember other side what is to be done. On side हाकिद है, अल्वा. Uma smiling. Good. Flap करो, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा, थोड़ा हल्का हल्का सा flap करो. हाँ, हो गया. ये भी थाई पे रखो, ऐसे नीचे नहीं. Keep it on the thigh. Now, how to catch the toe? I showed you how to catch the toe. With your right hand, catch it. Catch it. In hook karo, inhale and stretch the leg up. See the level of my leg. ऊपर गया ना. Libby, no? I forgot it. Libby. 2. ये ऐसा भी चलेगा, no problem. 3. कोशिश कीजिए बस. 4. पूरा थकने का नहीं, ठीक है. 5. अभी कैसे रखना है? सीधा रखो. नहीं, हाथ के साथ रखो. Exhale and keep it down. Okay. Now fold both the legs to the groin. एक फोल्ड किया, दूसरा फोल्ड किया, अभी दोनों फोल्ड किया. Straighten your back, catch the toe and butterfly. Straighten your back. If you sit like this, guarantee back pain. Guarantee. Because what will happen if you do butterfly with a rounded back, that force will go to the lower back area. What will happen? All those discs will bulge. Bulge. It will come out. So keep your back straight when you're doing this. Definitely. So butterfly, very carefully you have to do with the back straight. Keep on doing butterfly. Like that. Okay. Thoda time butterfly ho gaya. Ye sab loosening hai. Relax. Release your legs in front of you. Keep your hands back again. Put your chin down on the chest. Now rotate your neck. 1. पीछे साइड में कान कंधे पे आएगा. 2. कोई जल्दबाजी की जरूरत नहीं है. 3. So can anybody tell me where is the inhalation in this? 4. Anybody? While going back, inhalation. 5. See, Renukappa is remembering that. Now opposite side. 1. उल्टा घूम रहा है अपना गर्दन. 2. You should feel nice. ये और एक्चुअली एक नेक मसाज जैसा ही है. 3. आपको अच्छा लगना चाहिए ये करते करते करते. 4. देखो अपन आराम से कर रहा हूं. 1 more round. 5. हो गया. 5 + 5 हो गया. ठीक है. आ जाओ. अभी sit straight. Sit straight. Your chest should come up. Even if there is no hand, your chest should come. Hands rowing position. How do you are going to do? Nauka chalana, rowing the boat. Okay, pehle inhale karo. Exhale front, inhale back. Exhale front, inhale back. You have to lean front and back. Exhale front, inhale back. Exhale 4, inhale. Imagine you're rowing a boat. Exhale, inhale. Now change. Exhale, पीछे की तरफ. Inhale. Exhale, now के चाला. Inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Yeah, one more time. Exhale and inhale. Relax. Now, did you note the toe movement? Can anybody? Alka noticed, I think. How to move the toe in what I did now? Toe, was it changing? Anybody? How was it? What was the change? Ulta. You were doing correctly, but maybe you confused on that. When you say when you move forward, the toe comes to you. When you move back, the toe goes away. Like that. Exhale front, inhale back. See, you have to focus on it. You're not able to think. When you go forward, your toe should go to you. When you come back, your toe should go away from you. Like that. Exhale front, inhale back. Now, spread your legs. How much? As much as possible. What is this practice called? Anybody? Chakki chalna. Alka knows everything. Interlock your hands in front. No, straight. Bring the body front. Take one. Inhale. No, see. What is the, see, come, straight your back. Take inhale. Exhale, go to the left leg. Which is the left leg? Inhale, come to the other leg and come back. Exhale, left. Inhale to the right and come back. Exhale 3. Inhale, come back. Exhale 4. Don't sleep your toe. Inhale. See, my toe is upright. Exhale 5. Inhale back. Now opposite. 1. See, I'm trying to reach forward and come. Okay. 2. आगे जाते हुए पीछे आना है. 3. The mind. No, your mind is not in class. 4. Use the brain. I'm not asking you to break your leg. One more round. 5. What is this called? Chakki Chalana. Fold your legs to the groin. Back straight. So we have opened up your groin, everything. Now we'll start with the arm loosening. Bring the arms in front, parallel. Fist close. Open the finger. Close them. Open them. Close. Open. Close. Open. What is opening? Close. What is the tunnel there? Open. No. 1. Down. Up. Down. Up. With me. Down. Renukappa. Up. Wait. Down. Up. Don't drop your hand. Down. Up. Fist close. Wrist rotate. 1. 2. Your shoulders will start becoming tighter. I know that. 3. 4. Let it become tight. 5. Opposite side. 1. Don't drop your hand. 2. 3. What is this called? 4. Wrist rotation. 5. Then bring the hands on your shoulder. Don't drop it. Straighten the arms in front. No, front. Now fold, straight. Fold, straight. I'm holding, no, fold, you also hold, straight. One more time. Fold, straight. Now fold it, touch the elbows in front. Touch it. Now rotate. 1. I showed you yesterday's video, no? How to rotate the shoulder. 2. Aage dekho. Ramya. 3. See, elbow illi hogodu time munde nodabodu. 4. When the elbow goes up, your chin should not go down. Okay. One more round. 5. Opposite side. 1. You're mobilizing your rotator cuff. 2. Big circle. Only the shoulder is moving. 3. 4. Look forward. One more round. 5. Now interlock your finger. Inhale and stretch your arms to the. Look straight. 1. Normal breathing. Stretch it. Ramya. 2. Breathe. Okay, don't hold your breath. 3. Lengthen your backbone. Lock your anus. 4. Little more up, Santosh. 5. Exhale, hands down. Straight back. Now release both the legs in front of you. Hands back. Again, shake your legs. Last loosening practice, Marjariyasana. Fold both the legs to any one side. Come to cat position. Standing like a cat. You have to keep the knees apart. Your palm also apart. So if you measure the distances, distance measure, ting, everything will be the forearm distance. So the distance from knee to knee, knee to palm, everything will be equal, like a square. Okay, keep your toe pointed backward. It's not. Then bring the intelligence there. Don't lean forward. These are the pillars. Your arms and legs are the pillars. They will not change. Okay. Now inhale, head up, tailbone up. Center down. Look upwards. Exhale, reverse. Round your back. Inhale, 2. Center down हो गया, chin ऊपर, tailbone ऊपर. Exhale, reverse. U shape हो गया ना, umbrella shape हो गया. Inhale, 3. What is this shape? U shape. Okay. Chin up. Look upward. Don't look at me. Exhale, umbrella. Inhale, 4. You can use Ujjayi here. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Now stay there, normal breath. 1, 2, push. Look upward. 3,
4, 5. Exhale, reverse. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, look straight, neutral position. Neutral position. Exhale, यहां से feet को change करके mountain pose. वो exhale आ गया. Who is that breathing? Santosh, I think. Now take normal breath here. Don't take your leg too much back. 1. Try to make a concave back here. Okay. 2. Look towards your navel. 3. It's a short mountain, steep mountain. 4. Because we reached here from the cat, so it will be steep. 5. Now look between the hand. Look between the hand on the mat. Okay. In one step, both the legs should reach between the hand, one by one. Step forward, both the legs between the hands. एक ही step में जाएगा. So what is the alignment now? The fingers of your palm and your feet are in one line. Check it, check it. It should. You have to step there. So if I was here. When I stepped, I know my hand is there. So I kept here and here. So I stepped exactly in line of my hand. Now exhale, bend the body into the legs. Forward bending. Now inhale, stand up. Side moving hands up. Side moving hands up. Join your hands and look at your thumb. Thumb pe drishti. Exhale, bring the hands down. Samastiti. Proper practice. Last warning. After that, you can go home. Huh? Okay. So what did we do till now? What did we do? Huh? Loosening practice. Any other name?
Loosening practice.
Any other name for that? Huh? Or whatever we did do. What is it called? Loosening practice. One more name you can give. Simple. Stretching. What is it? Warm up exercise. Simple, no? Warm up kar liya humne. She knows, huh? Ramya. Okay, ho gaya. Now we will practice Surya Namaskar. Samastiti. Straight back. Don't keep your hands loose. Everything steady. Front of the mat. Keep your feet together. Your toe and heels will touch. Whenever you stand, try to center the body with the feet tight, hands tight. The energy starts from this point where the toe is touching here. It will start from here. If it doesn't touch, you will not get that energy. Inhale is the way. There is no gap. Inhale, take the arms over the head. Exhale, bring to heart center. Yeah, correct. Eyes are closed. Inhale. Oh. Together. Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham tattvam pushanna pavrano satya dharmaya drishtaye. Inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, look at the nose. So this Surya Namaskara is different. This is Swami Vivekananda Surya Namaskara. Okay, we will do 2 rounds. Otherwise, we'll be running short of time. Okay. Ideally, look nose. Breathing hereafter with the sound. Ekam, inhale, stretch your arm back. 3, exhale, bend forward. 3, inhale, left foot back. 4, exhale the right foot. Chin straight, all of you, chin straight. Chin straight. Pancha, inhale, keep the knee down. Don't put your head down as of now. Exhale, sit back. Shut. Inhale, come on the knees. So change your foot here, change it. Exhale, go to the mat. Inhale, lift your upper body. Ashta. Exhale and lift your back. Good. Nava. Inhale, keep the knee down. Chin straight, chin straight. Exhale, sit back once again. Dasha. Inhaling, left foot forward between the hands. Chin up. Other knee down, back knee down. Ekadasha. Exhale, bring the other leg forward. So head to the knee. Dwadasha. Inhale, stand up. Stretch your arms backward. Samasthiti. Exhale. Om Mitraya Namaha. Ekam. Inhale. Dvi. Exhale. Body and hand and head, everything together. Trini. Inhale. Which leg back? Right leg. Inhale, head up. Chin to the sky. Chatwari. Exhale the other leg. Head straight, head straight. Buttocks straight. Little down, alka buttocks. Chin straight, chin straight. Pancha. Inhale, keep the knee down. Exhale, sit and fold. Shut. Inhale, come on the knee. Change your foot, standing toe. Exhale, go down. Chest. Sapta. Through the body. Rise up. Ashta. Exhale, lift your back. Nava. Inhale, keep the knee down, head straight. Exhale and sit again. Dasha. Inhaling, right foot forward. Chin up. Dasha. Exhale the second foot. Libby. Ekadasha. Inhale, stand up, slowly stretch back. Exhale to Namaskar Mudra. Sit together. Om Ravaye Namaha. Now, inhale, take the hands straight up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Any doubts? Online or anybody here? Any doubts? This we have to do 12 times. The last round, we have to hold all the positions. 2 breaths each, every position we'll be holding. Last round. This month it is like that. Any doubts? Stand straight. Over. After that, there is no difference. You will do eye rotation, all that we will do. Then Dhyana Bandha Agni Sarakriya. Any doubt in eye rotation? Nose focus, far focus, anything, any doubts in that? Otherwise, we'll go to the next step. There's no change in all that. Okay? Walk back on your mat. Turn to your own left. Look there, no? Keep your hands tight, legs tight. Now, Parshva Uttanasana and Virabhadrasana. 2 asanas will come. Ekam. Inhale, right leg out, 3 feet catch your waist. So last month we took 4 feet. This time it is 3 feet only. Now, exhaling, catch your elbows behind your body. Both the elbows you have to catch. Both the elbow you have to with the other hand. And now inhaling, right foot turn and complete body turn to the right.
So the complete body turn, no? मेरा shoulder पूरा घूम गया. पूरा shoulder turn this side. Complete. What will happen to the left foot? Left foot also slightly turn. So left foot is not like this. Left foot also slightly turn. The full body facing the right foot now. Full body facing Chatwari. Exhale, bend the body towards your right knee. It's called Parsha Uttanasana. Inhale. Exhale. कितना हो गया breath? 1. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. Lengthen your spine and exhale. Now inhale, stand up facing the same side. On the exhalation, turn to the front. Now inhale, turn your left foot, full body turn to the left. Full body, full shoulder should turn. Exhale, bend on your left leg. Inhale. Exhale. Then my balance. Inhale. Look at your toe. And exhale. Try to tie your chin on your knee. Now inhale, stand up, facing the same side. On the exhale, turn your foot, turn forward. Now inhaling, catch your waist. Exhale, walk to the left, put your hands down. Hands down, tight. Virabhadrasana. 4 feet stepping, okay? Ekam inhale, right leg out, 4 feet catch your waist. So it is the longer step. Look straight in front of you. On the exhalation, turn your foot and full body turn to the right. Same method. Method till now it is the same. Everything is done, but your hand is different. Trini, inhale, take your hands up, join your hands at the top. Now only the front knee is going to bend. Chatwari, exhale, bend the right knee. Try to make it 90 degree. Inhale, look at your thumbs. Exhale. Bend the knee properly 90 degree. Inhale, don't interlock your thumbs, Libby. All the fingers straight up. Exhale, bend the knee. Yeah, 90 degree has to come. 2. Inhale, bend the knee, Tanmay. And exhale. 3. Pancha, inhale, right leg straight. Look forward in that direction. Look forward. Shat, exhale, catch your waist. Sapta, inhale, turn your foot and look forward. On the exhale, turn to the other side. Now inhale, hands up, join your palm. We'll take 1 or 2 breaths only. Exhale, bend the knee. You adjust the distances. Now inhale, look to the sky. Look at your thumb. Exhale. Don't bend the back leg. 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale, straighten your left knee. Look forward in the direction. Exhale, catch your waist. Inhale, turn forward and reduce the distance at the same time. Not too much, only little. Ready for jumping. Catch your waist. On the exhale, turn and jump. So when you land, your hand should be down. Feet should be together. Join it. Chetna. Join karo, और करो. हो गया, बराबर. Okay. So we did Parshvottanasana, Virabhadrasana. Now Vrikshasana, Padangushtasana, Padahastasana. 3 asanas. Hands straight. Take inhale. Ekam exhale, left leg bend. Keep it on the right thigh. Left leg. 3. Inhale. Take your hands up. Start exhaling. तन्मय मेरे को भी गिरा देगा तुम. Inhale. One breath. Exhale. Stop doing Tanmay. Inhale. Look one point only. Exhale. Stop doing Tanmay. Inhale. Exhale, bring the hands and catch it on the waist. Inhale, take your left leg forward. Keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it. Exhale, hand down, leg down. Samasthiti. Take inhale. Exhale, bend the right. See, the leg has to come. Tanmay. See, I am doing this asana looking one point. You're looking. How will you do Vrikshasana like that? Without looking at the leg, you have to bring the leg up. Now inhale, take your hands up. Exhale, don't do it, Tanmay. Baki sab gira dega tum. Inhale, don't do it, no. One, exhale. Focus on one point. Inhale. One more breath. Exhale. पारुल मेरे को गिरा दिया अभी. Inhale. Exhale, bring the hands down, catch it on the waist. Only, see, you have to look at one point. Chatwari. Inhale, right leg forward. Keep it, point your toe, point. Exhale. Samasthiti, Dekho, I'm not moving only. Still, see, I was looking just behind our friend Vishak. Now only I looked other people. I did not look this side. Look, तो गिरेगा, मैं भी गिरेगा, सब लोग गिरता है. Ekam inhale, jump your feet shoulder distance, catch your waist. Do exhale, bend forward, and so what is coming? My body. What is coming first, Alka? Renu, no. What is coming down first? No, down. नीचे क्या आ रहा है पहले? No, stomach का, give me. Navel. So first bring the navel. Head baralla. Head ऊपर आएगा. Last में head आ गया. Hook your toe. Hook the toe. So if you want slightly bend the knee, no problem. Slightly bend the knee. I showed you know how to hook the toe. मैंने बताया था 2 उंगली यूज करना चाहिए उसमें बीच में घुसा देना है. ये कौन सा breath था नीचे आ गया? What is that breath? Exhalation. Okay. Now inhale, head up, concave your back. Concave, head up. Your shoulder will be high, chin will be high. Exhale, bring the head between the knees. That's called Padangusthasana. Now inhale. Exhale. You have to look at your own anus muscles. Inhale. Lengthen the body towards the ground. Exhale. Head को पैर के बीच में लेके आना है. Inhale and exhale. How many if you can see the anus? Now inhale, head up, concave your back. Concave, chin up fully. On the exhale, insert your palm below the feet. चलेगा, घुटना bend करो, no problem. But you have to insert it below your feet. Padahastasana. Now inhale, head up, all of you again. Head up. Exhale, head between the knees again. Padahastasana. Inhale. So fingers are pressing the wrist. Exhale. One breath. Inhale. Exhale. 2 breath chalega. Now inhale, head up, elbow straight. Concave back. On the exhale, catch your waist. I did not ask you to stand up. I said just catch your waist. Yeah. Sapta. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, jump. Hands down. No biting lips. Now sit. हो गया standing asana khatam. Hands back, shake your legs. These are the standing asanas next month. Anybody who can name all the 5 asanas? 6 asanas. Parshvottanasana. Then? No. Virabhadrasana. Uma. Third one? Vrikshasana. Alka. Fourth one? Before that, one more was there, no? No. Padangushtasana and what is this one? Padahastasana. Samasthiti. Sitting asanas back to back, we'll complete all, then on we'll talk. Samasthiti. Where is the hand position? Keep it here now. Straight back, elbow straight. Ekam inhale, bend your left leg close to the body. On the exhalation, bring the left armpit on the left shin bone. Left hand. आगे लेके आओ. 3 inhale, swing the right hand from the back and catch the front hand. Okay, नहीं होगा तो just wrap करो हाथ. रम्या मसाला कर दिया. Chatwari exhale, bend. Marichi asana. Inhale, look at your toe. Exhale. Yeah, you can point your toe forward in here. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, now pancha inhale, sit up, release your hands. Exhale, release the left leg. Sit straight. Inhale, bend the right leg. Exhale, bring the right arm in front of the right knee. Right arm in front. Exhale ho gaya wo. So your shoulder should come in front. Bring the shoulder in front. Ilendra barala. So you have to bring your shoulder in front. Now inhale, take your left hand from the back, catch your right hand. Is it possible reaching Libby? Karo, koshish to karo. Chin forward. Ye to inhale tha, exhale hua na abhi. Abhi exhale, chin on the right knee. Like that. Inhale. Look at your toe. Exhale. Point your toes forward in Marichi-asana. Inhale. Lead your chin forward a little more. And exhale. 2. Inhale, sit up, release both your hands. Back straight. Exhaling, release the right leg. Take one inhalation. On the exhale, move your hands 1 foot behind you. Slightly bend your elbow. Slightly bend it because you want to lift up now. Do inhale, lift your hips up and make a plank. Purvottanasana. Exhale. Look towards the back. Inhale. Keep your feet together. Point your toes. Exhale. Lift your hips up. Inhale. One more breath. Exhale. And inhale. Now exhale, come down. Inhale, bring the hands in front. Look forward. Exhale and relax. What is the asana we did? Purva Uttanasana. Change your hand. Fingers pointing backward. Hand fingers. No smiling. Smiling is not required. I'm telling seriously. Now, why do you have to smile for that? Samasthiti. Vrikshasana. Vakrasana. Ekam inhale. Bend your left leg halfway, almost towards the thigh, other thigh. And keep your left hand back. Both is one inhalation. Left hand. Inhalation. On the exhale, bring the right hand on the left side. And catch the toe. Right hand on the left side. Don't bend the other knee. Now inhale, look back. Vakrasana, very simple twisting. Exhale. Keep the other toe pointed. Straighten your other leg. Inhale, look back, Tanay. Exhale. Good. Now inhale, look forward, release both the hands. Exhale, bring the right leg in front, left leg in front. Vakrasana. Inhale, bend your right leg, keep your right hand at the back. On the exhale, bring the left arm on the right side. So try to catch this toe or ankle, whichever. Other leg will not change. Other leg should not be bending. Now inhale, look back. Already the body is twisted. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Push the right hand at the back and exhale. Lock your anus muscles. Now inhale, look forward, both your hands release. On the exhale, release your right leg. Ekam inhale, raise both your legs 60-degree angle. Sorry, 30-degree angle. 30 degree. On the exhale, interlock your fingers behind your head. No lying down, only buttocks on the floor. Inhale. So this time it is 30-30. Exhale. 1. Inhale, squeeze your legs. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. Keep your back straight, little more. Exhale. 3. Inhale, keep your hands only down. Keep it, keep the leg, keep the leg, keep the leg. Exhale, keep your leg down. Sit straight. Hands back, shake your legs. What is that asana called? Ardha? Alka knows it. Ardha Navasana. In advanced class, Marichyasana B is there. And in Vakrasana, anybody from the advanced batch is there today? Nobody. In advanced class, anybody on advanced class? Anybody there? Online? Nobody. हो गया मेरा काम कम हो गया. Now next, lying down asanas. Okay, Suptapada Angushtasana, Sarvangasana Halasana, Parshva Ekapada Sarvangasana, Markatasana. All these are in inversion series. So practice. You may not be able to see me. Okay, so you may have to look what I'm doing. Simple series is only simple, but first asana is a little confusing asana. Lie down. Tuck your shirts and lie down. Okay. First asana is Suptapada Angushtasana. From there, we will go directly to Sarvangasana. We'll come back through Parshva Sarvangasana, then close with Markatasana. Inhale, take the arms over the head, keep it on the floor. Exhale, keep the legs straight, point your toes. Listen to me carefully. Ekam, inhale, raise the left leg up 90 degree. 90 degree, only the left leg. 90, Tanmay, what is 90 degree? B, exhale, bring both the hands down. Keep it on the mat. Your left leg is 90 degree. 3, inhale, catch your left toe with the left hand. Keep your right hand on the right thigh. So your left toe, you have to catch it with your hooking position. How did I hook it? Last time I showed you know how to hook. Hook, Santosh, hook your left foot, left toe. Hook. Right hand on the right thigh. Tanmay, stop practicing. You can go home. Tanmay, stop practicing. You can go home. No, then don't practice. No, sit without doing anything. On the so right hand is on the right thigh, okay? On the exhalation, bring your chin on the, no, you're not supposed to do, I told you, you're not supposed to do. Just sit without doing anything. Chatwari, exhale, bring your head up, try to touch chin on the left knee. Suptapada Angushtasana. Inhale, look at your toe, which is in the air. Exhale, bring the chin a little more closer. 1, inhale, point your bottom toe. Exhale, come a little more closer. You have to touch your chin on your left knee with experience. Inhale and exhale. Good. Now inhale, head goes down. Only head down. On the exhalation, take your left leg to the left side. No, left leg to the left side along with the hands. With the hook, Libby. Now inhale, look at your right side wall. Exhale. Your right hand is on the right thigh. Why did it go away from the right thigh, Santosh? Right hand on the right thigh. Inhale. You have to look at the right side wall. Exhale. 2 breaths are enough.
Now, inhaling, bring the left leg back to the center position. Up, bring it up. With the hand, you have to bring it up. On the exhalation, once again, touch in on the knee. Good. Now, inhale, head goes down. Dasha, exhale, keep both the hands on the floor. Ekadasha, inhale, take both the arms over your head. Dwadasha, exhale, keep the left leg down. Tanmay, don't do. I told you don't do. Just sit and observe. That's all. You're not supposed to do. Ekam, inhale, take your right hand, right leg up. Right leg up, 90 degree, all of you. On the exhalation, bring both the hands down. Where is it resting? On the mat. Now inhaling, catch the right toe with the right hand and keep your left hand on the left thigh. That much only. You should not lift your head up. It's okay if you want to bend the knee slightly, you can bend the knee. And Chatwari, exhale, bring the head up. Head up, Santosh, try to touch your chin on the right knee. But you have to look at the right toe. Inhale, pull the leg down. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale, pull the leg down. And exhale. Good. Now inhale, head goes down. Your leg will be there only. Exhale, take your right leg to the right side. Keep it on the floor. And now inhale, look at the left side wall. Don't remove the hand. Exhale the breath. Left side wall, Chetna. Side mein lag dekho. Inhale again. Keep the other leg straight. Exhale. Two breath. Inhale, bring the right leg back to 90 degree position. Top. On the exhalation, again, try to touch in on the knee. Nava. Inhale, Dasha, head goes down. Exhale, Dasha, keep your hands down. Side of the body, side of the leg will remain there. Hands down on the side of the body. Ekadasha, inhale, take your arms over your head. Dwadasha, exhale, keep the right leg down. Ekam, inhale, lift both the legs up 90 degree. In lying down position. Do exhale, bring both the hands down. Both the hands down. Slowly, without sound, Tanmay. Don't catch your buttocks. Keep it on the mat properly. Crane inhale, roll up on the back and come to Sarvangasana. Now stay there. Exhale. Inhale. One. Exhale. Straight up, straight up. Inhale. One more breath. Exhale. Lock your anus. Inhale. Now exhale, both the leg down, Halasana. Take it on the ground. Inhale, interlock your fingers. Exhale. One, inhale. Look at your nose. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Support your back. Inhale, come back to Sarvangasana. Lift your legs up. On the exhalation, keep the left foot on the left side. That means, you look at me if you don't know the asana. See, your left leg should go sideways and keep it on the left side, like that. In Sarvangasana itself. Try to bring it sideways down. Inhale carefully. Exhale. Enough. Inhale, bring the left leg back to 90 degree position, center up. On the exhalation, take your right leg to the right side. Try to touch it on the floor. Inhale. Try to balance. Exhale. Parsha Ekapada Sarvangasana. Inhale. No sound, Tanmay. Exhale. Two. Inhale, bring the leg back to 90 degree up. Exhale, bring the hips down. Slowly. Along with the support. Now inhale, take both the arms over the head. Your legs are in 90 degree, okay? Exhale, keep the left leg down. Only the left leg down. Only straight on the mat. Why is there a bending the knee? There is no bending the knee. Now inhale, open the arms on the floor, bring it to shoulder level, bring the arms to shoulder level, both the arms. On the exhalation, take your right leg to the left hand, Markatasana. So you have to catch it with your left hand. Now inhale, look at the right hand. You're twisting the back. Exhale. Point your other toe. Inhale. You have to catch the toe. Exhale. So your right leg is caught by the left hand. Now inhale, bring the right leg back to 90 degrees. Everything else remain. On the exhale, keep the right leg down, straight on the floor. Now inhale, take your left leg up 90 degrees. On the exhalation, take it to the right hand and catch it with the right hand. Now inhale, look at your left hand. Point the other toe, Chetna. Exhale. Other toe pointed, knee straight. Inhale. No sound, Tanmay. Exhale. It will stretch the outer side of your thigh. Now inhale, bring the left leg back to 90 degrees. On the exhalation, keep your leg down slowly. Now take a deep inhalation slowly. Exhale, keep the hands down. Relax Shavasana. Okay, any doubts on what we did? Any clarification required? Did you observe? Now can you sit up? All of you, can you sit up? Directly, please come to sitting position. Just sit up. So I'm going to show you that trick of that side Sarvangasana. No? So I was here. When I took my left leg down, this hand will support here, slightly to this side. See, now I'm catching the side. You can see here now. Did you see? The hand was here, but slightly I moved it from here slightly so that I can support. See, I'm keeping C shape here. See, correct? So with that hand, I'm taking the leg down. So I will not lose balance. See, if I do like this, I'll fall. I will fall that side. Okay, did you get me? ये जो हाथ था उसको मैंने थोड़ा सा साइड में लगा दिया तो वो साइड में सपोर्ट मिल गया so I can take the leg down. Got it? Yeah. Clear? Back straight? Back straight. So that's the trick of that asana that we did. Other asanas, I think Sarvangasana, Halasana was clear. Now, one more thing, one more important point I'm telling you. So in that Supta Padangushtasana, this was like this. Exhale, bring the chin up. We did that, no? This one. Now inhale, head goes down. When you exhale and take this leg sideways, if it reaches this point also, I'm okay. Don't do this. Don't do this. So as long as the leg is थोड़ा सा ऐसे चलेगा, बस यहाँ पे देखना है. एक महीने के बाद ऐसा होगा, ऐसा होगा, ऐसा होगा, ऐसा होगा, ऐसा होगा, ये सब चलेगा, ये नहीं चलेगा, ये भी नहीं चलेगा. Got it? ये भी गलत है, ये भी गलत है. You can bend the knee, but in the plane of this hand. ये जो hand का plane में you can bend the knee. ये चलेगा, ये चलेगा, ये चलेगा, ये चलेगा, ये चलेगा, ये सब चलेगा. I'm making it very clear. ये नहीं चलेगा, ये नहीं चलेगा. Clear? So we did all the lying down inversion. What we did was inversion. It takes about 5 minutes. Next, back bending. Matsyasana, Chakrasana. We will do both. Then we will relax. Okay. Matsyasana, you know? No. So I'll show you once. Fish posture. Samasthiti. Inhale, keep the legs together, hands on the mat, side of the thigh. Exhale and point the toes. Inhaling, insert both the arms below the buttocks. देखो मैंने पूरा अंदर घुसा दिया. So where is my hand? Completely below the body. It's not like this. It's wrong. Elbows are out. Elbow will be below the body. So from here, I tilted a little, brought it inside. All that is one inhale. So I'm lying down on the arms. Exhale, point your toes. This is all Ekam. Now, Dvi, inhale, lift the upper body on your elbow and look at the toe. See, pura aa gaya upar. See, I'm balancing on my elbow behind. On the exhale, don't do it. Who wants you to do it? Sit straight. I did not ask you, no? Then why are you doing it? On the exhalation, put only the head back, bulging the chest. That is Matsyasana. Inhale. Look towards the eyebrow. Exhale. See the stomach rising. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale, head up, look at the toe again. Same toe to look. Exhale, bring the body down. Inhale, remove the hands. Exhale, point your toes. All of you lie down. From that direct chakrasana we'll go. Try to follow whatever I showed you step by step. Inhale, keep the legs together, hands close to the body, palm on the mat. Exhale, point your toes forward. Keep the toes together. Now inhale, insert both the arms below the buttocks. Completely below. Elbow will not be outside the body. It should be below the buttocks. Everything. You're not listening to me. Exhale, point your toes. Beyond the limit, nobody can help you, man. Now, inhale, lift your upper body, come on your elbow. All of you lift your upper body, come on your elbow. Lift it up. Lift your elbow should not lift. On the exhale, bulging the chest, put only the head back. You'll sit up, don't do anything. Sit up. Others, stay there. Inhale, sit with your back straight. Exhale. That's not, your back is not straight. Inhale again. And exhale. That's wonderfully done. Now inhale, head up, look at your toes again. Head up, look at your toe. Exhale, completely lie down. Everything, head back, everything. Now inhale, remove the hands outside your buttocks, keep it side of the body. And exhale, point your toes. Continue. Now inhale, take your arms over your head. Exhale, point your toes again. Inhale, bend your legs, keep it away from each other on the mat. Bend your legs, Renukappa. On the exhalation, keep your hands by the side of your ears. Direct chakra coming. Now inhale, complete body lift up into the wheel posture. Because already your back bend is ready in Matsyasana. Exhale. Rise up. Inhale, elbow straight. Okay, good, careful. Exhale, walk your legs to the hands in ears. Inhale, little more, increase the height of your wheel. One more breath. Exhale. And inhale, heels up. Look towards your feet. Exhale, come down. All of you come down slowly. Inhale, release both the legs only. On the exhalation, put the hands down. Leg down first, Chetana, then hands down. Okay, so what did we do now? Matsyasana and Chakrasana. Relax, take few breaths. Now comes the last series. Pavan Muktasana, Shalabhasana, Ekapad Rajakapotasana. Okay. So let's do Pavan Muktasana. Samastiti. Keep your legs together, hands close to the body, palm on the mat, Tanmay. Exhale, point your toes. This one, both the legs together. Ekam, inhale, bend both the legs and hug the knee without lifting the head. Only just hug. On the exhalation, bring the head up. Try to squeeze the body. Inhale. Now exhale, hug you completely. Touch your elbow, inhale, point your toes. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale, look at your nose. And exhale. Inhale, keep your head down. Exhale, leg down, hand down. Inhale, right arm over your head, bend your left leg. On the exhalation, turn to the ground. Lie down on your stomach. Now all of you can face myself. Face around, turn around. Everybody face, turn around. Turn around, face forward. Because next asana,
Actually, in the class, you will be doing like that only. But here, because I'm showing you now, so just so that. Otherwise, you don't have to do that in the class. Who asked you to sit? I asked you to sit. No, and off. Makarasana. Hold your arms below your head. Keep your head to one side. Keep the legs away. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. And exhale. कितना हो गया? 2 breaths. Santosh, wonderful. Now inhale, stretch your arms in front. Stretch your arms now. On the exhale, keep the legs together. Stretch means stretch. Your hand should be stretching. Now again, take an inhalation. Exhale, bring the hands down. Keep it by the side of your thighs. Now inhale, insert your arms below your thighs. Keep it inside the groin, okay? And exhale, point your toes backward. Now what we are going to do? Anybody which asana? Renukappan also. First, inhale, take your left leg up only. How much? No, 30 degree only. Exhale in that position. Now inhale, make it 40 degree. Exhale in that position. Inhale, make it 50 degree. Without bending the knee. Exhale there. Now inhale, maximum lift it up. Exhale, bring the leg down. One side ho gaya. Inhale, right leg 30. You can start at 10 also, no problem. Exhale. But bending the knee is not there. Inhale, make it 10 more degree higher. Without bending the knee. Exhale. Point your toes to the back. Inhale, little more up. Exhale. Now inhale, maximum lift it up. Without bending the knee. Exhale, bring the leg down. Now inhaling, turn to one side and interlock full palm below the body. Full palm. Turn to one side. Turn to one side. Full palm interlock. Any one side you can turn. Okay. So here, see, the elbow should not be bending. Why are you lying down on the elbow? Why are you sitting? I don't know. On the exhalation, again, so with this straight elbow, you have to lie down like that. So your elbow is below the navel. Now don't bring the elbow outside the body. Okay. Now inhaling, both the legs up. When I lift, I cannot talk. Okay. Inhale, lift both the legs up. Random breathing. 1. Lift it up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, remove the hands outside and bring it folded below your body, below your head. Exhale, keep the legs away. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale again. Exhale. 2. Inhale, keep your palm by the chest. Palm by the chest. Exhale, keep the legs together. Standing toe is fine. Inhale, stand up on the knees. Exhale here. Now inhale, keep the knees together, feet sleeping toe. Exhale, point your toes backward. Last asana, Raja Kapotasana. So inhaling, fold your left knee between the hands. Left knee. So how is it kept? No. Your feet will, she knows it. You take a little extra time. Exhale, try to sit. So in this, no leaning. See, you should sit straight, keeping this thigh and this thigh on the floor. Now straighten your back. Inhale. She got it right. Paru. Exhale. Sit straight. Inhale. Stop doing unwanted things. Exhale. Good. Now inhale, take your arm sideways up and try to reach back. Yeah, just lift your arms if you can. If you cannot lift it up, don't lift it up. You can stay there. Exhale. Try to reach backwards. Inhale. If it's difficult, don't lift your hand. Don't join your hands. Exhale. Alag alag mani kai. Inhale. Try to reach back. Exhale. Bring the hands down. Inhale. Walk back your left knee. And exhale. What is this called? One leg pigeon. Okay. Inhale. Fold your right knee now between the hands. So you have to make a V shape with the leg. On the exhalation, try to straighten. So you have to straighten upper. Keep your thigh down. You have to straighten your back. Yeah, correct. Take a few breaths. No, you're leaning. Why are you leaning? See, anybody else is leaning except you. You're the only person leaning there. Straighten your back. Inhale. Try to bulge your chest like that. Exhale. Sit with your both the thighs on the floor. Inhale. Straighten your back. Exhale. Now, without changing the leg, inhale, take your arm sideways. Try to make it parallel. If you can. Exhale. Yeah, reach upward. Inhale. No kneeling. Both the thighs should be flat, ideally. One. Exhale. And if you cannot take the hand up, no problem. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, walk your right leg back. And exhale, Balasana. Now, all of you sit up, Vajrasana. I'll show you a simple technique to whatever we did just now. Take a brick and keep it like this. When you keep the thigh, try to keep it like this. Take a brick and keep it like this, all of you. So online also, this if you do this asana is easier. Now, see how did I keep like this? Brick straight. Keep it below your any one thigh, whichever thigh you want to keep it, keep it. Parul ko zarurat nahi, aapne barabar kiya. You and all keep the brick below your thigh. Below. Keep in the right position. Support. Is it supporting properly? Is it easier? Little more easier? Bekendra, I will show you the other side here. Keep it below the thigh. Thigh, not the knee. Why are you keeping below the knee? Now, it's easy. Inhale, take your arm. Is it easier now? You see, all of you are lifting the arms now. It's stretching the back, I know that. Exhale, bring the hands down. Alka, easy? Without bricks, it's easy for you. Now, inhale, take your leg back. Exhale, sit Vajrasana. That completes all the asanas that we are going to do, except Balasana, Parvatasana, it is the same. Okay, any doubts? I am not switching on the light because there is no power. Otherwise, all the power will go. Outside, I think some work is going on. No, main power is not there. That's why I'm not putting the lights. Okay. Now, abhi tak humne kiya usme koi doubts hai? After we are going to the pranayama section. Yeah. Yeah. Which one? Which asana was that?
Many asanas where the chest and this very close to the knee and all.
So I'll show you now. Just now, let me show you that. Sit, relax. All of you sit, relax. Now just observe my Pavana Mukta asana. So from here, I inhale and bend and hug. मैंने hug किया. अभी exhale, I lift my head up.
Yes, okay. Now observe my inhalation.
So what am I doing? Little the head is going away when I'm inhaling. Because see, you cannot stay there and stop breathing. You cannot stay there with shallow breathing. If you do like this, like just observe now. So there is literally no breathing there. It will only drop your oxygen levels. Cramp aa jayega sharir mein. So the head will move to accommodate that breath. So you have to adjust your position accordingly. For example, now observe this one. Exhale is over. Inhale, head up. So this is shoulder distance, okay? Don't keep it like this. So it should be little away. Exhale, bring the body down, head between the knee. Like that, no? So the elbows have bent. Now I'm going to inhale. One. Two. So what I'm doing there? The body is moving little to accommodate that breathing. Alva? Are you able to see my body movement there? Yeah, that's the reason. So wherever you are, don't compromise the breath and squeeze the body too much. Bring the little movement of the body so that the breath is the first breathing. Then only you have to do the complete stretches. You can do the same asana little more inwards without breathing. Ho sakta hai. But what will happen? It is against the rules. You will get cramp because there is no oxygen in the body. So it will deplete the glucose and create oxygen in the body. How the cramp coming? When the oxygen is low, body will break down the glucose in the muscles and take the oxygen from that. Then cramp will come. Cramp kabhi aayega jab oxygen down ho jayega. You ask doctors, are there anybody doctor? They will tell us. The body, when the oxygen level is low, it will break down glucose and take the oxygen, energy from that. So what will happen? The cramp will come back. That's the reason of cramp. One of the reason is shallow breath. Okay. Sit, where are you going? Sit straight, back straight. Okay, then the tricks I told you, main important things, this one, this is a good trick. I told you again, keep it like this, so it is easy. See, I'm finding it easier. Don't do it. I'm telling only, you don't have to do it. Okay, then the other trick is this one, taking when you take the leg down sideways, don't bring the knee front up or down. थोड़ा सा बेंड चलेगा, मतलब हाथ का प्लेन में बेंड कीजिए, ऊपर या नीचे बेंड मत कीजिए, ठीक है? Okay. Now भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम, sit straight. वज्रासना हो सके तो वज्रासना बैठिए. With your back straight. Now Brahma Mudra, your thumb will be inside your palm and fingers will be around the thumb. Okay, that is Brahma Mudra. And back of the wrist will be on the thigh. Back of the wrist, this place. Okay, it is not like this, it is like this. So ये wrist का पीछे की भाग है ना उसका. यहाँ पे chest breathing होगा. So inhale, chest up, drop like that. Don't do not like that. Only the chest should go up. It's not a circus. No smiling, no circus. Joint jumbo circus. No. Sit straight. Inhale, chest up. See, you're doing. See now he's doing like this. That's not the way. I want upward movement. Inhale up, like that. Only chest. You stop doing it. Others, you stop doing it means stop doing. You're not supposed to do. Keep your hands relaxed. Just relax. Don't do it. Inhale, chest up, like that. ಇನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಉಮಾ. Chest up. Okay, stop, relax. Show me once more. Don't lift shoulder too much. See, lift chest. What did I tell you? I asked you to stop. Now you can go home because it's over. I'm telling you. You had come for the asana, no? Now you can go home. Okay. Now you can go home. Okay. Inhale, chest up. So like that, you have to bring the chest up and down. What is this pranayama called? Bastrika. Bastrika means pump, pumping. Bastrika means pump, okay? Forceful pumping. So it's a upper lungs breathing, more of upper chest, not lower abdomen. Last time we did this. What is that called? Kapalabhati. So this is more on upper chest. It is upper lungs breathing. Like that. Okay, so we'll be increasing the speed. We'll be doing around 70 rounds of that. That's done. Second pranayama, there are 3 pranayamas. Second pranayama is Nadi Shuddhi pranayama. So bring your right hand Nasika Mudra. Which is your right hand? First you understand which is your right hand, left hand. First you find out which is your right hand. So these 2 fingers inside. First index finger, middle finger inside. Thumb finger outside, last 2 finger outside. And make C shape, C shape. C shape, see. How many of you can see C shape? See his C shape. You stop doing it. Correct? C shape आ गया? नहीं आ गया. किधर है? ये भी ऐसा हो गया. ये भी मैंने टर्न कर लिया. नहीं, तंब भी हो गया. You can keep your head down. No, देखो. Stop now. I told you now. This also. It should be like a. How many of you have seen crab? What is in this thing? Crab को हिंदी में क्या बोलता है? Cockroach, हाँ? ऐसा भी होता है क्या? Crab and cockroach same, हाँ? Both same. कहाँ से कई cockroach crab? in ಕನ್ನಡ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಈ ತರ ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ? केकड़ा एडी. So it bites, no, in the beach and all. It will come, bite करेगा. It will bite like this. Like the finger will be biting finger. Then keep it on the nose here. So उंगली सीधा नहीं है, ये ऐसा नहीं है. लोग गलत सिखाते हैं. मतलब ये ऐसा नहीं रहेगा. नाड़ी शुद्धि में टर्न करेगा ऐसा. C shape. उसको ऐसा रखना है. You stop now. Simply you are doing unwanted things. Then put your chin down. Okay, now Nadi Shuddhi. Left hand Dhyana Mudra. Now, you'll start from the right nostril. Chin down. Inhale from the right nostril. Close it. Exhale left. Close it. Inhale left. Close it. Exhale right. Close it. How will you close without finger? Inhale from the left. Close both. ಎರಡು close ಮಾಡಿ. Exhale from the right. Close it. Okay, put your hands down. Inhale. Again, now, so there is a lot of science in this. The right nostril is controlled by thumb. Left nostril controlled by both the fingers. See, both the finger. Idaralla. Both the finger. Now, wait. Explain. Okay. One tank full water is there. One tank full water. Full water tank above the house.
आई ओपन द टैप, ओके, हाफ ओपन किया मैंने, नहीं पूरा ओपन किया, रात को खोल के छोड़ दिया, मॉर्निंग में नेक्स्ट डे इवनिंग आके देखा तो पूरा टैंक खाली हो गया. हाउ मच टाइम इट टुक? हाउ मेनी आवर्स? One day means same time. 6 o'clock I opened. Next day 6 o'clock I came. Full tank over. How much? How many hours? 34. Huh? 24. 24 hours. Na? It khali ho gaya. Correct. Now I want to make it 48 hours. Double time. What will I do? Half. What I will do?
We have to open the tap.
Close the tap little more. No, you can double the time. Correct. Okay. So imagine. Back straight. Back straight. I'm inhaling from this nostril, left nostril. Wait, no, don't do it. No, I'm inhaling from the left like this. How many seconds it took approximately? 5 seconds? 5, 6 seconds. Now I want to make it 12. What should I do? Huh? Alka knows it. Close partially. That is pranayama. What I will do? ये उंगली किसके लिए? उसके लिए रखा है यहाँ पे. तो ये तो बंद है, इसको मैं आधा बंद कर दिया. Now see the timing. कितना टाइम लगा? he was counting. Good. How did I make 5 to 21? कैसे किया? How did I do? That is called pranayama. Prana ayama. Prana means life energy or breathing. Ayama means elongate. Elongate कैसे करेगा? ये. So this is normal pranayama. Beginners. Proper pranayama, controlled breathing. Same thing, no? How many seconds? 2 seconds. I delay it by constriction. This is what you are doing, no? In asana, haath nahi hai, haath, there is no hand in asana practice. So we use the same technique, delay the breath by throat. Here the finger is available. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, you have to regulate the breath using this finger. ये जो क्या बोला उसका नाम? AD. AD का सहायता से हम लोग breathing करेंगे. AD को रखते നമ്മുടെ തേൾന്ന് പറയും. തേൾന്ന ലൈൻ പറയാ കടിക്കുന്ന സാധനത്തിന്. അതേമാതിരി നമ്മൾ ഇങ്ങനെ പേരിൽ വെക്കുക. Okay, let's do it once again. Completely exhale. Okay, starting from the, now if you want you can change the hand. If your right hand is paining, use the left hand. Okay, now inhale from the right nostril slowly. Close the breath. Exhale from the right. Use that pressure. टैप को आधे बंद कर दो. Now inhale from the right, sorry, left. Close it. Exhale from the right. You have to give pressure there. Now put your hands down now. No, see, correct. So are you able to get a little more delayed breathing? Because of the finger, you have to use that. See, Chetna, when you inhale, you have to half close it. See, it is like puncture. Cycle tube में puncture कैसे होता है? Yeah. No, it will be on the bone. The bone of that nasal bone is there. No, from there you have to control it. Now it's correct. You are not supposed to remove the finger only. वहां से उंगली निकालने का ही नहीं. या तो बंद रहेगा नहीं तो आधा बंद रहेगा. बराबर है? वो सब समझ में आएगा क्लास जब चालू हो जाएगा. ठीक है, धीरे धीरे आ जाएगा क्योंकि वो टाइमिंग तो टाइमिंग है. I will ask you to inhale for 8 seconds, hold for 6 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds, hold for 6 seconds, like that. That time automatically you will have to do this. So all these are regulated breath. Okay, got it. Last wala is the Brahmari pranayama. You're not getting the finger only right. No. See, first you have to click. पहले क्या करना है, बोर्ड को पूरे रब करके सब निकालने का है. क्लास चालू करने के पहले क्या करेगा? Before the class in your school, what they'll do? First straighten your back. Then take one duster. Not now. I'm telling example. Take the duster, clean full blackboard. Blackboard पूरा clean करना है. Then only if you write something, you can read it. Correct? So first thing, when you do puja at home, something at home, close your eyes, sit without doing anything. So first thing, what you have to do, Tanmay, is slow down. Because what is happening, I'm telling you, you're not able to think what is hand, where is the finger, where is the breath, how to, everything you are doing, everything in single time. Nahi hoga wo. You're not, so you have to channelize your thought. Uske liye you have to slow down. You have to think, okay, right hand, you have to bring it up. Okay, right hand. Now you have to fold your, except these two fingers, you have to fold the other three fingers. Like so these two fingers, you have to fold. See, now you're not able to think which is these two fingers, only you're not able to think. No, which is the finger I'm not showing? I'm showing. No, you're keeping that, all the three up, other finger is folding. No, before that you're going to the nose. Do this much, no, this much. No, you're not thinking which is your finger. Fold that, fold it. Keep the other finger straight. Now make a C shape with that. That's the problem. See, that's what you have to do is you have to sit alone, think, clarify the mind, clear everything. Sabko pehle rub kar do, sab nikal do. Pehle ungli, like that you have to slow down your thoughts. Otherwise it will not work. I'm telling you. That's why I want you to come to next class only after learning Ujjayi Pranayama. Otherwise don't come. I'm telling you. Because you are not reached that level. Then only I can teach you. Otherwise I cannot teach you. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, now advanced asana. Take 2 pillows. Everybody take 2 pillows. 2 pillows. 1 pillow back, 1 pillow front. 2 pillow रखो, 2 brick आगे रखो. 2 pillow है. पीछे भी नहीं गिरने का, आगे नहीं. 2 ले लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बहुत pillow है. Check that there is not much dust. Okay. After the class, please keep the pillow back on. नहीं तो मैं थक जाएगा. Hey, power has come, so I can put the lights. I think power has come. No, power did not come. No, power is not there. Sorry. If I put light, no, my 5:45 class will go for a toss. पूरा power निकल जाए. एक ही light डाला. Okay, मैंने कैसा रखा है? 2 brick ऐसा रख दिया. ये advanced आसना है. Those who don't want to do, they can skip also, no problem. कोई problem नहीं. 1 pillow पीछे रख दिया मैंने, 1 pillow आगे रख दिया. If you're doing online also, no problem, take 2 pillows. Okay. Then, now I'm going to show you Bakasana. Crane posture. This month, the advanced asana is Bakasana. Okay. So if you want, just observe, then you can do. Okay, then I keep my hand on the brick. Difficult for me also. If I fall, catch me, okay? What is his name? Tanmay, catch me if I fall. Don't do it now. First observe कैसे करना है. तो मैंने हाथ रख किया. ऐसा मैंने both the leg उठा लिया. ठीक है. If I fall, my buttocks will fall on this. If I fall, head will come in this leg. Now inhale, shift the weight forward. Take the leg up. बकासना हो गया. करो. Where is the knee? Where is the knee? Knee, where, observe my knee. First observe my knee. So my knee is near the armpit. My knee is on the armpit. Then I lift the heel up, keeping the knee on the armpit. Then shift the weight forward. Slowly I take one leg up. Then I take the other leg up. Balancing on the, careful, don't fall. थोड़ा से नो जंपिंग. डिड आई जंप रम्या? जंपिंग किधर आ गया इधर? हाँ हाँ केयरफुल. निदान निदान ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರು. Careful. That's why keep the pillow a little more forward. Bakasana. Baka means crane posture. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा सा. हाँ bend the knee, no problem. Whatever you want you bend, no problem. But you should balance. Crane posture. हाँ रम्या. That's why you want. That's when मेरे को पता है ये सब, उसके लिए मैंने पिलो रखा है. Who all lifted up? Renukappa is there. I think थोड़ा थोड़ा सा हो गया. I can. Libby is there. बंदी दिया हल्का हो रहा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा हो रहा है ना. एक महीने में हो जाएगा काम. हाँ, Libby is able to balance. Now let me give you shortcut. पहले मैंने so easier. हाँ, because ये practice, the only practice है उसमें, और कुछ नहीं है. Okay, now I will give you a short little. No, I am putting it armpit like this. See, I am putting in an armpit now. So I'll give you a shortcut. थोड़ा सा simple which Libby is doing like this. Just keep it like this. Your knee outside and lift it like this. This also you can. So keep it on the thigh. Keep your thigh open a little more. Swalpa thigh open madi and take your leg up. Easier? Some of you may find it easier. Whichever pose. Renukappa bandide. Ade Bakasana. Aitu. Renukappa good. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Vishak, आया? Little bit. Don't break your legs. हो गया, relax. हल्का, good. Some balance is coming. Yeah. Inner thighs. That is easier method, I'm telling you. Whatever first one I showed was the advanced level of it. You can start with. Careful, okay. उसके लिए मैं बोला दो पिलर रखो. पीछे गिरेगा तो टेल बोन प्रोटेक्ट होना चाहिए, आगे गिरेगा तो ये आपको पकड़ना चाहिए. ऐसा. Don't try at home alone. This advanced asana. After the class, 5 minutes you are getting, no? That time you have to do this. Don't do it within the class. Keep it back, no problem. Okay, try it. हो गया. So you can keep the pillows back. Or just keep it back. Yeah. No problem. So what is that asana we did just now? Any name? Bakasana. Or Renukappa mind is sharp. He's thinking, Bakasana. He's registering all the names. Careful, laptop. Keep it there, no? Somewhere else you can put it. Yeah, you can keep it there. No problem, I'll keep it. Okay, then advanced asana ho gaya. Now this one advanced class. Anybody is there? I'll show you Mukta Hasta Shirshasana with that, because that's the only asana which is relatively new for you. Other asana, yeah. Bharat. Okay, good. I'm going to show you that Mukta Hasta Shirshasana which is there this month. Don't do it. You can all of you sit down. After that we'll close. What is the Mukta Hasta means? Mukta means free hand Shirshasana. Free hand Shirshasana. Don't try on your own. For me also difficult only. मैं गिरेगा तो पकड़ना संतोष. कभी गिरता है यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. सब लोग गिरता है. So I will keep my hands free. See, normal Shirshasana, how we do? We like this, right? Yeah, we lift up Shirshasana like this, or with the folded leg, whichever you like. So the same I'll do with free hand.
but I'll fold my line.
It's a difficult one. Yeah, so that is freehand Shirshasana, Mukta Hasta Shirshasana. So the problem of that is you will not get the sideways balance a little. So don't try alone. First, those who are able to do normal Shirshasana very easily, they only should try this Mukta Hasta Shirshasana. Okay, so that is coming in advanced class. And the last will be pranayama is Brahmari pranayama. So how to keep Brahmari pranayama? Wait. First slow down. Keep your hands down. Hands down. Down. I'll show you now. Wait. So there are 5 fingers. There is a position for all the fingers. So this index finger will be on the eyebrow. Okay. This middle finger will be on the eye. Then your ring finger will be on the nose, just on that flap, and the little finger will be on the upper lip, like this. Are you able to see me? Eyebrow, eye, nose, and upper lip. That's all. And your thumb will come on the ears and close. Then we will take an inhale. Close your ears and hum. Like that. Inhale. So what is this? Yeah, you can keep your hands down. We'll doing 7 times this. What is the name of this pranayama? Brahmari. It will calm. Because sound under, it will vibrate inside the brain. Brahmari pranayama is that. Very good for sleeping. अच्छा है. नींद के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. But you should not do before the bed. Half an hour, 1 hour before the sleeping, you have to do it. It will calm. एकदम ठंडा हो जाएगा. पूरा vibrate हो रहा है ना अंदर है. So this is the position of the hands. You remember eyebrow, eye, nose, upper lip, ear, like that. Ear should be closed. And don't put the finger inside the ear. ये जो छोटा flap है उसकी बाहर से दबाओ. बाहर से. From നമ്മുടെ ചെവിയുടെ ചെറിയ ദണ്ഡാവില്ലേ അതിന്റെ പുറത്തുനിന്ന് बाहर से उसको दबाना है. Second tip. Straight back. The teeth should not touch. Teeth will be 1 millimeter away. 1 meter gap रहेगा. Don't touch the teeth. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ gap ಇಡಬೇಕು. Okay na? That is Brahmari. Like saying N. Tongue will be here. Na. Like that is Brahmari pranayama. Brahmara means what is Brahmar? Brahmar means bee. You know that honey bee and all. That sound. That sound will come. Don't make what is it? As if you are rubbing some stone on the rock like that. Don't make that sound. Little high pitch, okay. As if some award movie आ गया है. भूत का बंगला में चला गया आदमी. ऐसा मत कर बनाओ. No भूत बंगला. It's okay. Try to make a little this one. Then any doubt? Any other doubt?
Is it good for hearing difficulty?
So you see, people have that tinnitus, no? That hyper, this one ears. For them, it is good. For more sensitive ears, it's good for that. Humming. No, it's not required. Just keep it only. That's all. You can control it, it's not required because already it is controlled with the sound itself. So that's enough. Any doubts online? Just 5 minutes I have. Yes, seven rounds. You have to close your ears with your thumb. Close it like that. Close marble. Any other this thing? So this is the schedule for this month, and then the closing prayer. Yeah. Inhale, take your hands up sideway. All the fingers together. Look, chin parallel, chin parallel. Exhale to heart center. No, that's not the way. Bring it properly down. Eyes are closed. Inhale again. All of us together. Ananta sansara samudratara naukaikabhyam guru bhakti tabhyam vairagya samrajyada pujanabhyam namo namaha Sri Guru Padukabhyam Namo Namaha Sri Guru Padukabhyam Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gracefully bow down. Because of the God only you are able to do this much today is because of the God. Then come back. Thank God for whatever you could do and then come back. Namaste. Thank you. Namaste all of you. Bye bye. I will be uploading this on the channel. Please watch it before class. Eh? Uma, good. You are coming the Saturday, no? I like that. All people who came, thank you. Those who attended online also, thank you.
Thank you, sir.